Hello and welcome to Advanced Communities. Meet AC Partner Marketplace, a 100% native Salesforce solution that helps you build, manage, and grow a thriving partner ecosystem. With AC Partner Marketplace, you can publish partner directories, showcase partner apps, solutions, and services, and make it easy for customers to discover the right partners. Let's take a look. Finding the right partner is simple. Users can search by keyword or narrow results with dynamic filters like location, partner level, or industry. They can also switch between tile and list views for the browsing experience they prefer. Every partner has a dedicated profile with descriptions, contact information, locations, ratings, and reviews. Customers can quickly reach out using the Contact Partner form, helping partners generate and manage new leads. Built-in ratings, reviews, and voting help users make informed decisions. And the Google Maps integration makes it easy to locate nearby partners. Partners can also maintain their own information through a self-service portal, updating contact details, logos, listings, and viewing incoming leads, all without administrator involvement. Beyond partner listings, organizations can showcase apps, solutions, and services. Each solution has its own detailed page with descriptions, screenshots, ratings, comments, and partner information, making it easy for customers to evaluate available offerings. To maintain quality, built-in moderation workflows allow partners to submit new apps or partner listings for review before publication, or let partners publish directly. The configurations are made internally within the Settings tab. Automatic notifications keep both partners and approvers informed throughout the process. You can further organize your ecosystem with zones, helping customers discover partners and solutions that are most relevant to their region, industry, or audience. Whether you're looking to generate more partner leads, help customers find trusted providers, or create a complete partner marketplace, AC Partner Marketplace gives you everything you need in one solution. For more information, visit us at advancedcommunities.com. Thanks for watching.